Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Lamborghini Aventador, and this is by Majorette from the streetcar series. So this is their mainline version. This is the 199 version. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So this is specifically for the person who actually requested me about this car to unbox this car, so I bought it. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So out of the box, it looks really beautiful. Obviously it's a Lamborghini, but still you can see the interior details here in engine detailing here, which is really nice. They did really do a better job compared to Hot Wheels. Even the interior, you can see this is unique to this particular car. All the hexagons and the detailing on this one, that looks absolutely gorgeous. Honestly, thanks to that guy, because I was really not ready to buy the white version because I do have other colors, but because of him I actually bought this. And so it has a gap here, you can see. I never noticed this in that older castings which I have, but it is there. So the logo placement is really nice. The logo is a bit bigger, but it looks really nice. So this is a metal body and plastic chassis and plastic tires, wheels, and you can see the tail light detailing as well, including the logo here. That looks absolutely gorgeous. It has rear view mirrors, and for 199 they're able to do a lot of things. It has some little bit of paint issues. I don't know if it is just the excess paint, but nothing serious if you ask me. Let's see if it has suspension. Yeah, it has suspension, but it looks really nice. Let's weigh this casting. Okay, 36 grams, not bad. Honestly, the interior looks really nice because it's a red interior, or like kind of a magenta interior. Okay, one more. Okay, doesn't roll really well. It rolls okay. It is not good, but it is okay. I'm not going to play with Majorettes because for me, Majorettes, it looks really beautiful, and I really want to keep it in my showcase. So yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.